to Kingswood Kitchen. Should I just do it like that? Okay, from the top. Hi boys and girls, welcome to Kingswood Kitchens. My name's Libby and today we're going to be cooking up some delicious cupcakes. They're going to be soft, fluffy and have a jam filling. But before we start, let's go wash our hands. So now that we've washed our hands, we can now begin with the fun process of mixing the ingredients. So first, we're going to get the small bowl and we're going to get, in your pack, you've already got 2 eggs in them. And we're going to only need 1 for this recipe. So we're going to take a nice chicken egg and we're going to crack it in the bowl, like so. There we go. And then with that, we're going to whisk it. And the reason why we've put the egg in a separate bowl is so that if there are any eggshells, we can take it out quite easily. So now I'm going to whisk this just to make it lighter for the cake when we mix it together. So then there should be a nice smooth consistency. Once we've mixed that together, we're then going to put the pre-arranged ingredients in the bowl. It's all measured out already, so we can use all of it ready to go. So now we're just going to gently put it in the bowl. Brilliant. And once we've done that, we're now going to put in the whisked eggs. Just pour it in very gently. Marvellous. And now the fun part is we're going to mix it so it's all well combined together. So it's really nice smooth consistency and it's really light and fluffy. We're just going to keep on going until we get rid of all of those lumps. Okay, and then once we've got a nice smooth consistency like this, we're going to get our little shiny miniature cupcake cases and we're just going to put them out on the tray here. And you've got to be careful because they're a bit fiddly, but if you do it gently and slowly, you'll be able to put them out accordingly. 7, 8, 1 more. 9 small cupcake cases. And we've got our nice cake batter here ready to put in. We've also got the most key ingredient, which is the jam. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take half a teaspoon of the cake batter, and then we're just going to very gently pour it into the cake mix, and we're going to do this in each single one. And don't worry if it gets messy, it's the fun part of it. So don't be afraid if it goes all messy, it's fine. You can use your fingers as well, it's absolutely fine. Brilliant. So then once we've got the nice even spacely out, we're then going to get the strawberry jam. I'm going to just peel it open, and this is the fun part. We're just going to take a little bit of it, about 1/8 or just a little bit of the spoon, and then we're just going to tap it into the jam mix like this. And it's important that you put it right in the middle of the cupcake as much as you can, because otherwise it will just spill on the edge and you want it right in the center. So we're just going to carry on with that, just a little bit of the jam. And this is where you can use your finger and you can just pour it in like this. It's just a little bit at a time. So we'll just keep on going, a few more to go, like this. Oh look, we've got the perfect amount for the cakes, brilliant. So then you should be able to use all of the jam provided. Just pour it in. Brilliant, so once you've done that, you can then top it up with the rest of the cake filling like so. You go back to your little teaspoons, and then we're just going to fill it up, not all the way to the top because we want it to nice and rise all the way. So about 2/3 or 3/4 full. And this is, again, the really fun part. We just want to make sure that the jam is all nicely covered. And we'll just keep on going. And as I said, about 2/3 full. Because we want the cake to rise really nicely so you get a nice fluffy, soft cake. Brilliant. So we've got 1 more to go. Brilliant. Okay, so now that we've done that, you may have a bit of the cake mix already left. So what you can do is you've got enough, you can make another cupcake, or even better, you can eat it as it is with the spoon. So now once we've poured in all the cake mix, we're just going to evenly spread it out so it has nice space to rise. And once we've done that, we now need to get adult assistance so we can put these nice cakes in the oven. You want to cook it in the oven, preheated at 180 and gas mark 5. And with this, you want to get the nice oven gloves, and we're just going to grab the cupcakes and put them in the oven. And here we have it, the final baked goods. We should now have really nice, soft, fluffy cupcake with a delicious jammy filling. And if we open one up, we can see, I'll show you. Here we are, we've got a delicious jammy filling. If we just open one up, there we go, really soft jammy. But do you know who would love this more importantly? Is Monkey. Do you want to try one? Yeah, brilliant. Let's try a little bit. Oh, delicious, is that right? Yeah. And now, competition time. What we would love is for you to send us photos of the cupcakes that you've made at home. And you can do this by putting hashtag Kingswood Cupcakes and sending it to @Kingswood Kitchen. And with that, you'll be the chance to win our very own Gruffalo cookbook. Yeah! And not just that, but also, our Kingswood family box.